Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have another Instant Pot recipe for you all. Today I'll be showing you all how I make kitchri in the Instant Pot. This one is going to be absolutely delicious and great for you to make this fasting season. So let's jump straight into the recipe. Let me show you how easy it is to make. So we're going to start by soaking our peas, and I'm using some split peas and black eyes. This is how my mother-in-law makes it, so I'm sharing her recipe with you all today. So we're going to allow that to soak overnight, and once it's plump the next day we're going to discard the water, give it a good wash and set it aside. Next we're going to put up our Instant Pot on the saute mode, and to that I'm adding in chili infused coconut oil. If you don't have this, you can use avocado oil. Next goes in chopped onion, pimento pepper and bell peppers diced, carrots, salt to taste. I'm also adding in some complete seasoning, and I'm going to let this saute for a minute. Now I forgot to put in my garlic at this point. I'll show you guys when I put it on later on. But 2 tablespoons of garlic goes in. Then chopped scallions or scythe, chopped celery. Give that a mix. We're building a lot of flavors here, so hence the reason why adding all these aromatics. Now goes in your washed peas and black eye, and I'm adding in some Masoor Dal. Now this you don't have to soak because the dal is so fine or so small, it's going to cook in there. And when my parboiled rice and the garlic that I told you all I forgot to put. Now I'm going in with my turmeric powder and green seasoning. Now we're going to give this a mix and allow it to fry up or saute in here for about 1 minute. Now I'm going back again in with some complete seasoning because I gave it a taste and it does need some more seasoning. So I'm adding in that complete seasoning, and I'm also adding in some salt. Please add seasoning and salt to how much you use in your diet. You want to give this a mix. At this time it should be sticking to the bottom of the pot, so just mix that in really well. This smells so amazing, all of those aromatics in there. I always like to put extra aromatics. Now we're going to take it up a notch by adding in some chopped dasheen bush, or you can use baby spinach. I'm just gonna fold that or mix that in. It makes it a really hearty, healthy recipe by putting in all of these ingredients. Now I'm gonna fill it up with water, and I'm putting 4 cups of water. If you wanted to use a vegetable broth, you can. And if you're not fasting, you can use chicken stock or bone broth if you like. Give this a mix, and next, 1 more ingredient. We're going to make it rich, creamy and luxurious by adding in some coconut milk powder. And if you're vegan, you would use the coconut milk you're accustomed to. Make sure whatever ingredients you use, they're vegan and they're what you're accustomed using. So give it a mix, and we're going to take off the saute mode and we're going to cover the Instant Pot. Now we're going to put on the pressure cook mode for 20 minutes and hit start. Now 20 minutes was perfect enough for me to get it to a nice soft texture. If you like it a little more on the grainier side, I would say add in 5 cups of water and let it only cook for 15 minutes. So this is how we like it. If you like it really wet and runny, you can add some more liquid to it at this point and give it a mix. But this is how my family likes it. So this is how I'll be serving it today. My beans or my black eyes are nice and soft. You cannot see the Masoor Dal because that was totally melted, because it's so fine, so it's not able to maintain the integrity of the green. So I like serving it with dried mango anchar or sometimes coconut chutney. I'll link the recipe down below and also as an end card. And all you have to do now is enjoy. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. This is another one leading up into Diwali. Thank you all so much for joining me. Do remember to stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.